Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to permanently delete your LinkedIn account. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases you're looking for how to completely delete your LinkedIn account. In order to do that, you need to open your web browser and then you need to sign in your LinkedIn account. I already signed in my LinkedIn account in my Google Chrome web browser. Now, if you decide to permanently delete your LinkedIn account, you can click this profile icon, made down arrow, and then you're going to find here something say settings and privacy. After click over setting and privacy, in the right side you can see screen appear just like this. You scroll all the way down and then you're going to find here something say account management. Here you're going to find three options. One is merge account, and is hibernate account, and is close account. Merge account means you have 2-3 accounts and you can merge within one account. Hibernate account, like a detective account, for example, you decide to, for now, you want to deactivate your LinkedIn account, and in this you might be decide future to return back, you can choose this hibernate account. Close account means if you decide to completely delete your LinkedIn account, you can choose this close account option. So when you click close account option, it's going to be looks like this, and whenever if you have any subscription in LinkedIn, you need to cancel those subscriptions later. Then after that you can delete your LinkedIn account permanently. Anyway, we're going to click here continue, and here is asking choose account. Abdul, we are sorry to see you go. Tell us the reason for closing your account. You can choose for what reason you want to close your LinkedIn account. Let me choose here other and click here next. You can type here anything XYZ. Let me go here next, and now if you type here the password your LinkedIn account, and then if you click here like for example unsubscribe, because you don't need this communication include invitation anyway, and whenever you click done, completely your LinkedIn account going to be deleted, so you can return back the same account. So for that I will suggest you, if you decide to completely delete your LinkedIn account, better I will suggest you to choose the hibernate account, which will help you if you either sometime you decide to return back, you can return back. But if you click close account, in that close account you cannot return back. So in this simple way you can easily cancel or permanently delete your LinkedIn account. So that's one now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.